In this video, I'll walk you through what you need to know about the Windows HDR settings. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to head over to your start bar, right? Click on the settings. Once you have clicked on the settings, you're going to wait for it to open, right? Once it has opened up, you're going to click on this display. Right now on this display, you're going to see the HDR, right? So you're going to see this more about HDR. So click on it. Once it has opened up, you're going to see get a brighter, more vibrant picture for your dynamic. So you can come on here and adjust this, right? If you want, you can adjust it to this, you can adjust it to this, right? And you can also select a display to view or change the settings, right? I think there's only one display right here. So you can see the display capabilities right here. So plain streaming HDR view not supported, use HDR not supported, right? So battery options, you can come on here and adjust it. I think, yeah, it has optimized for battery life, optimized for image quality. Then this is the video playback, right? I'm gonna click on it. Let me see what is there. So you can process video automatically to enhance. So you can turn this on, you can turn this off, right? So I think, yeah, this is everything you need to know about the HDR. So this is it. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next one.